Use properties of logarithms to expand each expression. Number 1, that's ln of 5 times x. You're going to rewrite this ln of 5 plus ln of x. Number 2, you've got a quotient. You will rewrite that as subtraction. Ln of x minus ln of e to the 5th. E is understood there. These match. That second term simplifies to be a 5. Number 3, bring that 3 down in front and multiply. Number 4, you have a quotient. It's ln of x squared minus 4 minus ln of 9e squared, 9e to the x squared. Is that right? Or is it a 3? It's a 2. 9e to the x squared. This is ln. You can factor x squared minus 4 to x minus 2, x plus 2. This is multiplication. So minus parentheses ln of 9 plus ln of e to the x squared. Now, when you expanded this second term, it gave you 2 terms. You have a minus out front. That's why I had to put it in parentheses. All right, this is multiplication. So this is ln x minus 2 plus ln x plus 2 minus ln of 9 minus ln e to the x squared. But there's an e understood there, so the last term into just x squared. So this is ln x minus 2 plus ln x plus 2 minus ln of 9 minus x squared. And I can't do anything else to that. All right, next page is going to simplify, if I have any more. Oh yes, use properties of logarithms to rewrite each expression as a single logarithm. And this is what we'll be doing when we solve equations. All right, so let's practice. Let's move this 1/2 log x minus 1 to the 1/2. So put that 1/2 back up. Now minus log z, put that 3 back up, plus log 5. All right, minus here, that's going to be a quotient. That'll be log x minus 1 to the 1/2 divided by z cubed. And then you've got plus log 5. What do you do with addition? It turns into multiplication. That's going to be log 5 times x minus 1 to the 1/2 over z cubed. Or you could write it as log 5 square root of x minus 1 over z cubed. Number 2, 1/3 ln of x minus 2 ln of y plus ln of 10. All right, this is 1/3 ln x minus ln y squared plus ln of 10. This is 1/3. You've got subtraction here. That's ln of x over or divided by y squared plus ln of 10. Move the 1/3. That's we're going to move it up to be an exponent. That's ln x over y squared to the 1/3 plus ln of 10. So you rewrite plus as multiplication. That's ln of 10 times x over y squared to the 1/3. Or you could write it as ln of 10 cube root, that's a 1 there, cube root of x over y squared.